Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Miaira Jennings, and in this DIY video, I'm going to show you how I turned this into this. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I love me some sweatpants, but it's summer, it's been hot, and your girl needs some air, a little breeze on her legs. So we are going to transform these sweatpants into a very cute matching set. And I'm using my sewing machine, a pencil, fabric scissors, sewing clips, a strand of crystals, jewelry pliers, and fabric glue. That is it. For more information, just scroll down to that description box. And let's get started. First things first, I am taking my fabric scissors and cutting the pants into shorts. I didn't want them to be too short, so I probably cut about 5-6 inches below the crotch. Now I'm going to add a little bling to this thing, lining it up with the seams on those pockets, using my little jewelry pliers to cut it at that mark, and then taking my fabric glue and using that to adhere the crystals onto the fabric. And this fabric fuse fabric glue is amazing. It's extremely sturdy, so you don't have to worry about this peeling off. And I'm just doing the same exact thing to the other pocket, applying a line of the fabric glue and then placing the strand of crystals right on top and gently pressing it down. Once that's done, I decided to go back and clean up the bottom of the shorts a little bit, so I'm folding them upward about 1/2 inch and then clipping them in place. And I'll be sewing those later on. Once that's done, I'm going to move that out of the way, and now we are going to create the top. First, I am cutting one of the pant legs open along the seam, and then cutting the ankle part off. Next, I'm opening that up and then cutting that panel in half along that seam, and I'll be using the larger side. And then I'm doing the same exact thing to the other pant leg. Once that's done, I am placing the two larger panels one on top of the other with right sides together and then clipping one of the sides. Then I'm just using my fabric scissors to trim around the edges to make sure that that is a nice and neat rectangle shape. And once that's done, I'm clipping the other side. This will be the base of the top, and now it's time to create the straps. I'm taking the excess fabric from the sweatpants and I'm cutting 2 strips that are about 1.5 inches wide. Now this is originally what I wanted the straps to look like, but I ended up not doing the crossback, and I ended up folding each of the straps in half so that they were skinnier. Just FYI. And now let's head on over to the sewing machine and sew these bad boys together. First, I'm sewing along those bottom edges of the shorts. And then once that's done, I decided to go ahead and add a little bling to the back pocket as well. So I just did the same thing with the fabric glue and the strand of crystals. Added that right onto the top of that pocket. Super cute. Gonna leave that to dry, and now it's time to move on to the top. First, I am sewing along both of the side edges and along that bottom edge, and then I am attaching the straps. Now, the secret to making the top fit perfectly in the front is to sew a curved line that's in a little bit more at the bottom and then following a boob shape up to the top. And once you flip it back to the right side, this is what it looks like. As you can see, I added a little bling, made those straps skinnier, and it is looking so cute, guys. I am in love with this set. I am loving the little icy touches. I gotta go try it on. Let's go. And that's it, guys, from sweatpants to a full cute matching set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please drop a comment below to let me know what you think, and let me know what you want to see me DIY next. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much for your support. And if you're not, hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell so you never miss a DIY video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.